understanding the FEMA individual assistance process, general eligibility, how to apply, and program rules. FEMA individual assistance provides money for disaster-impacted individuals that may cover serious needs, displacement costs, home repair or replacement, rental assistance, personal property, child care, transportation, and moving and storage expenses. If you live in a county designated in a federal disaster declaration, you can apply for individual assistance from FEMA. Disaster assistance is not a substitute for insurance. You must submit your insurance claims before applying. You can apply for assistance by visiting disasterassistance.gov, call FEMA directly at 800-621-3362, or visit a local disaster recovery center. You can find locations near you at disasterrecovery.iowa.gov or disasterassistance.gov. FEMA will work with you to determine assistance eligibility. Residents whose homes were in a special flood hazard area, also known as a high-risk flood zone, and who accept FEMA financial assistance are required to purchase flood insurance to cover at least the amount received from FEMA. Flood insurance is only required if FEMA funds are accepted. Residents have 30 days to return the money to FEMA to avoid the flood insurance requirement. If the money is not returned and flood insurance is not kept on the property, you may be ineligible for some forms of FEMA assistance after future disasters. How do I get flood insurance? FEMA will purchase 3 years of flood insurance for people in a special flood hazard area as part of their disaster assistance. How much flood insurance do I have to carry? After receiving disaster assistance, a property must maintain an insurance policy covering at least the total dollar amount of the assistance. Learn more at www.floodsmart.gov. What if I don't live in a special flood hazard area? If you don't live in a special flood hazard area, you're not required to maintain flood insurance. How do I know if I am in a special flood hazard area? Ask the local floodplain manager in your community to look up your home on the current flood map. You can check your local flood map for special flood hazard areas at www.fema.gov/flood-maps. The Iowa Department of Natural Resources also has current flood maps on their website at www.iowadnr.gov. Is there other assistance available to me if I need it? Yes, the state of Iowa has programs available to assist with temporary housing and home repair. The State Disaster Recovery Temporary Housing Program provides temporary sheltering options for eligible disaster survivors as they pursue long-term housing solutions. You must apply for FEMA individual assistance first, and you do not have to accept funds from FEMA to qualify for the State Temporary Housing Program. Residents can apply online at disasterrecovery.iowa.gov or by calling 833-307-6030. The call center is open daily from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. The State Disaster Recovery Housing Assistance Program provides financial assistance to eligible homeowners affected by recent natural disasters, helping to expedite repairs to their homes. Homeowners must have received some form of FEMA housing assistance and cannot live in a special flood hazard area. This program is intended to fill any remaining repair gaps after insurance and/or FEMA assistance. Residents can apply by visiting iowafinance.com/DRHAP/. If you are looking for additional information on federal and state programs available to you, visit disasterrecovery.iowa.gov.